Joseph Mayanja, better known by the stage name Jose Chameleon, is a Ugandan Afrobeat artist and musician. He sings in Luganda, English and Swahili. Joseph Mayanja was born on 30th April 1979 to Gerard and Percy Mayanja in Kampala district as the fourth of the 8 children. He went to Nakasero Primary School, Mengo Senior Secondary School, Kawempe Muslim Senior Secondary School, Katikam Seventh-day Adventist Senior Secondary School, and Progressive Senior Secondary School. He composed the Kawempe Muslim Secondary School anthem. Chameleon's music style is a mixture of Ugandan folk, Central African rumba, zouk, and reggae. His career began in 1996 as a DJ at the Missouri nightclub in Kampala. He became active as a musician in 1998 in Kenya with the Ogopa DJs. Then a Kenyan record label, which released his first single, Bageya, featuring Kenyan artist Red Sun. Chameleon released his first album, Mamma Mia, in 2000. By 2013, he had released a total of 13 albums, including Chipepeo, Shida za Dunia, Valu, Bayuda, Badlisha, Sweet Banana, and Champion. Some of his hit songs include Shida za Dunia, Bayuda, Kwagalanyo, Chipepeo, and Dolotia. Although his music is popular all over the African continent, the majority of his fans are mainly from the central part of Africa, including Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. He performed to the largest audience at the Lugogo Cricket Oval Stadium in Kampala with his music promoter, Mr. Nyanzi Martin Luther, aka Block Boy, who is currently distributed in Zigurira and Biabanene. Chameleon has performed internationally, including in the United States, United Kingdom, Sweden, Belgium, Malaysia, China, South Africa, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Zambia, Malawi, South Sudan, Germany, and Switzerland. He toured Australia in 2017 and in March 2023. In February 2023, Chameleon held a successful concert titled Gwanga Muje. The event took place at Lugogo Cricket Oval in Kampala. Originally planned for an earlier date, the concert was postponed due to heavy rain and rescheduled for 24th February 2023. Chameleon organized a sold-out charity event called One Man, 1 Million at Victoria Hall in Kampala. The event was endorsed by the First Lady of Uganda, Janet Museveni, and attendees were required to pay 1 million Ugandan shillings to attend. Chameleon is the CEO of the music label Leon Island. Artists associated with this label have included the late Mose Radio, Weasel, the late AK-47 Mayanja, King Saha, Papa Sidi, Palazzo, Melody Uganda, Young Mulo, and Big Eye. The former Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda, Rebecca Kadaga, designated Chameleon the ambassador of the Usoga Tourism Initiative. He also directs Chameleon Foundation, which is aimed at improving skills and talent amongst disadvantaged youth. Chameleon is a member of a coalition of musicians who use their fame and fortune to help reduce poverty and create awareness campaigns for HIV/AIDS. He ran for office as Lord Mayor of Kampala in 2021. Chameleon has won several awards, among them which include 2004 Pearl of Africa Music Awards, Artist of the Year and Song of the Year. In 2005 Pearl of Africa Music Awards, he won the Best Afrobeat Artist and Best Afrobeat Single for the song Chipepeo. In 2004 Tanzania Music Awards, he won the Best East African Album. In 2005 Tanzania Music Awards, he won the Best East African Album. In 2006 Pearl of Africa Music Awards, he won the Best Afrobeat Artist. In 2006 Kisima Music Awards, he won the Best Ugandan Song, Mama Roda, and the Best Ugandan Music Video, Mama Roda. In 2007, Kisima Music Awards, he won the Best Ugandan. In 2013, African Entertainment Awards, he won the International Best Male Artist Award. In 2015, All Africa Music Awards, he won the Songwriter of the Year. In 2018, Galaxy Zina Music Awards, he won the Legend Award. In 2014, High People Music Awards, he won the Song of the Year, Badlisha. In 2014, High People Music Awards, he won the Best Male Zouk Song, Badlisha.